Hi everyone, it's Hannah Macadam here, and today I'll be reviewing the YouTube Masterclass course, so stay with me and let's get straight into it. And before we do, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and smash that like button. Have you seen this person? His name is Aleric Heck, and he's wanted for interrupting your viewing experience on YouTube to bring you the Facebook Ads Masterclass. If you've done a YouTube search for Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, Bing ads, and any of the other ads you can think of, there is a chance you've probably seen one of his ads. We'll be looking at a couple of things Stuart and I find as pivotal to a good course. How is a course structured? What were the big takeaways we got from the training? Is it worth doing, or is it a waste of time? How effective is Aleric as a presenter? So to go on with the first point, how is the course structured? Well, it's one long video training. It's not broken up into modules and there is no workbook or slide notes. There is also a 20-minute introduction from Aleric on his journey and where he came from and to where he is now to illustrate why he's the right person to be presenting the course. Stuart and I found this to be a bit of a letdown. We already know who Aleric is. We watched his webinar, we've done our research on who he is and what he does and why he is well known as he is. When he finally got going, Aleric was really in his element, talking about the powerful opportunities which exist on the YouTube advertising platform. While he didn't go through step by step on how to create everything he was discussing, it was a bit of a prelude into a whole new world of advertising. One of the most valuable pieces of knowledge was knowing about the many powerful ways you can use YouTube to reach your dream customer, including targeting people who have shown interest in websites your customer may visit and search phrases they enter. As a Facebook marketer, Stuart found some of Aleric's claims about advertising on the platform to be a bit sensationalized, but he understood that Aleric is a YouTube ads man through and through. Once the training finished, there was a long passage of testimonies about how happy customers were. Oh, and did we mention that you get to join a Facebook group of his and get a free complimentary call with Alec's team as part of the training to discuss how YouTube ads can help your business? We have a sneaky feeling that this is a discovery call to see if we could be a good client for one of his higher ticket courses, so we have yet to take up his offer. Maybe we'll use it to create ads that will grow this channel. So is it worth doing? We say yes, but it's not resounding yes. For $47 US, it's a good investment for YouTube novices and digital marketers who are looking to upskill. Aleric is a brilliant presenter. He never runs short on energy and definitely knows how to emphasize key points more than others. We find him to be so full of energy, you kind of have to pause the training at times just to take a few deep breaths. He's that energetic, and if you watched his webinar training, you'll see that. Our star rating for Aleric's course is a 6 out of 10. We find the learnings about the potential of YouTube ads to be fantastic, and you definitely will get insights into how to use YouTube ads. What stopped us from giving it a high rating is that it took way too long for Aleric to actually get going for teaching the YouTube ads, and the end of the training was just testimonial videos. I totally understand the need to sell courses. However, we are here to do YouTube ads training, not to get upsold into something else. Plus, he never walked through the step up of the YouTube ads he was explaining. They were just screenshots. So that's our take on Aleric Heck's YouTube Ads Masterclass. 6 out of 10. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more reviews of courses like this. See you next time.